Hello friends, I thank you everybody for liking, sharing and subscribing my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make a herbal ginger tea which is very useful for us at present scenario. Everybody should have this tea, morning 1 cup and evening 1 cup compulsory to keep the cold away from us. Any virus wouldn't attack us. Please trust me. Please do share this video with all your friends and relatives as soon as possible to keep the cold away from us. So let us see how to prepare it. For the ginger tea we need turmeric, peppercorns, ginger, jaggery, little milk, and switch on the stove and then place the vessel on the stove and add water into it. My measurement of water is for 2 cups of tea. Now I am going to add the turmeric, which is the antioxidant. This is a very good medicine for cold and cough. This breaks the phlegm in the body. Now I am adding the crushed pepper, the crushed ginger which I have shown you. I crushed them. Now I have powdered this jaggery also as well. And after adding these ingredients into the water, this water should boil nicely so that all the essence of these ingredients are absorbed in the water. After it boils nicely, we need to add the milk. Little milk is enough, no need to add more milk for this. Milk is an option. If you want milk you can add, otherwise without milk also you can have this. So after mixing it, let this come for a boil. Now we can switch off the stove and serve it. Now the herbal ginger tea is ready and I am collecting it into the cups. This herbal ginger tea is so healthy that whenever I get cold I have this and I'll be alright within a day or two. So that is why I am sharing this recipe with you people, because prevention is better than cure. At this present scenario, I request you people to have this tea morning and evening as I suggested and be healthy and stay fit.